Hi darlings, how are you all doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas and the season. I'm also enjoying mine and I'm super excited. And today is the Christmas day. I'm just here to tell you guys that yesterday, the 24th of December, I got a baby. Yes, I was pregnant for 9 months and yesterday I delivered a baby. I have a new baby in my home. So that means, because you guys are my family, that means that we have a new baby in our home. So you guys, you'll watch the baby as she grows because we have to kumlea pamoja. So the baby that I got yesterday, God blessed me with, is that I launched a new business yesterday. Yes, if you're already following me on my Instagram, you know what I'm talking about. Yes, yesterday I launched a new business, and you know, can you even see this one? Let me stand up so that you can see it. So you guys, I'm selling kitchen aprons. You all know how much I love being around the kitchen. We all go to the kitchen every day of our lives because we have to eat to live, right? So I just thought, why not make Life as Rudy aprons? And yes, this is the first piece, you guys. Closer look, you can see the design. It has these African prints. This is kitenge, actually, very detailed prints, and the colors are matching. This is a different cloth material and this is a different cloth material, and it is super heavy. I have customized my aprons. I'll be making more customized items, but this one is written my kitchen, my rolls, with a spatula, and it has these straps, very strong ones, that we tie around our waist, and it can fit anyone. It also have this strap, the neck one, and we have this detailed pocket. You know, your phone can fit in here. Yes, your phone can fit in here. It's a huge pocket that way while you're cooking and maybe you're listening to your music. And yeah, that is the details. It's actually an amazing kitchen apron, and you guys know how much I love cooking, so I'll be rocking my aprons. And yeah, you can get all these aprons on lifeasrudy.ke. On Instagram, you can make your orders, also here on YouTube. Similar to what I have shown you before, the first one was white, printed in white, and they both have different printings. So this one is printed in black, and they all have different messages. So this one is printed in black. This is a similar apron like the one I have just shown you, with the same pockets but with different printing. And now you can tell that the printings now are in black. It is written better food, better mood. And yes, no food, bad mood. I also thought, why not? We are Africans. And Africans love African prints, or rather kitenge. So this one is made from pure kitenge. It's a very good quality material, and it covers, like, you know, hakuna upande mmoja utasema ya kwamba the food is spilling on you, or you're going to get dirty because you're cooking for a visitor or your husband or your kids. Okay, it covers so well, and it is amazing. This is made from kitenge, the African prints. It has this pocket. I don't know whether you can see it. Let me put my kamwiko there, and the spatula. Yes, there's a pocket in there. It's also a big pocket, as you can see the details, and it has black straps, and of course a black strap going around your waist, just to make it more detailed. And let me just tell you guys that I made this from scratch. This was my idea from scratch. I did everything, I customized everything. So if you want a big order that you want me to customize for you, kindly also let me know. Now, as I told you guys, they all look different. The other one, the pocket was not black, but this one the pocket is black. It is on the side. The other one the pocket was on the center. The neckline looks straight, but on this one the neck does not look straight. It has this pattern, and you can see this beautiful. I'm not selling something that will disappoint us or you guys. So it is very strong, and the material is amazing. This material is very strong. If you know kitenge, then you know kitenge. This is very strong material, and it feels soft. It can fit anyone, and especially the ladies, if you are cooking in the kitchen, you can put on the blue jeans, you know, with your heels. And then yeah, you'll feel yourself. It is so beautiful, so amazing. So thank you so much, you guys. I hope you're going to support my business. All the details that you want are going to be on the description box below, and this business has an Instagram account. I'm also going to leave the business account details on the, you know, here. Just check it now. Kindly go follow us, and yeah, shop with us. I will really appreciate your business, and I mean, let's grow together. Let's bring up this baby together. As I told you, she's just, so the baby is less than a day old. I think she's actually 22 hours. I think actually she's 22 hours. So support the baby. Let's grow the baby, and I appreciate you guys so much. And yeah, so see you in the next video. Bye bye. I love you all so much. Thank you. Bye bye. Oh yeah, by the way, you can inquire if you have any question that you want to inquire more about aprons, you can also leave me a comment. I'm going to read it through. You guys know that I read all your comments and I answer to all of them. So thank you so much, and I hope you give me business. Thank you. Bye bye.